everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just getting you all set up here. My name is Beth, the crazy cat lady. We're coming right back at you. Tonight, I'm going to do my beauty regimen. What I do every morning and night. So the first things first, I gotta get this part out of the way. So I'm gonna use my new Hello Kitty headband type thing. So what I'll do is I'm gonna just put this on. There we go. Woo, woo. So the first things first is always wet your face. So I'm just, oh, it's cold. So how's everyone doing? Today is Friday night. So I am just going to show you if anybody was interested in what I use for my face. And I do change quite often on what I use. So here, I look weird. Okay. So I like my water really hot. Wet your face. Now, I've been using this Paris Hilton, okay, if I can get this focus, Paris Hilton, and this is Dual Action Cleansing Gel, Pro DNA. I've been using this. This came in, I think, my BoxyCharm, that I'm not mistaken. So you only need a little bit of a dab to do ya. Dab to do ya. So I just put this all over my face and my neck. And of course, run the water because you want to take it off. I look weird. This headband's ready to flip right off my head. But I like it because my hair is getting a little longer, so I could need to push it back so it's not in my face while I'm doing, you know, my skincare routine. So you just rinse it all off. Okay. Feels so good and refreshing. And I like to use hot water to clean and get really all the pores opened up. Okay. Next, pat dry your face. Okay. That's done. Now, I've been using let me put this away. Okay. I've been using this Hello Kitty Apple Essence Serum. It's for fine lines and wrinkles. I've been using this. I got this. I happened to go get it. I think it was the day after Black Friday. So I got that. And it has like little. I had this on one of my hauls. Look at all these little glittery balls. They're probably, I'm assuming, infused with product. And look at this. I don't know if you could see that. All these little balls. See? So I'm just gonna, I push up. You don't want to push down because you want to lift. Lift up. You always want to lift up. You don't want to lift down because the whole object is to firm and get more lift out of it. Smells good. And of course my neck. You can see the little bit of the wrinkles. Like I haven't really have a set regimen for a long time. I just am just, you know, trying to find my niche again on what I use. I was using Younique for a long time. Oh, it smells so good. So I just thought this was the cutest, and it feels good too. Smells good, this Hello Kitty serum, and I've been liking it so far. I've been really, really liking it, and it has been very refreshing. And the next thing, that's the serum. So, of course, wash your face first, pat dry after you rinse everything off, and then put your serum and lift everything up. You do not want to like go down. You're defeating the purpose. You want to lift everything up to get a lift so things could tighten. Serum, it's a little bit of a stickiness, but you just, so once I use this product and I do decide to try another one, I will film that one too. But I just wanted to try it out and see how it works. And this is a cream. It doesn't say night or day, so I use it for night or day. But this is how it looks. It's really, really creamy. You don't need a lot. Look at how, like a jelly cream. Look at, I don't know if I can get that to show you. It's like a gel. Very spongy looking. Look at. So anyways, this smells amazing too. It smells like strawberries. It's pink water. It's ultra dewy face cream. But it doesn't say, oh shoot, I got it on the thing. It doesn't say day or night. So I just use it for day or night. I use it for the day and night. So this regimen, oh, I love this. It smells so good. It's just refreshing. It's cool to the touch. I keep it in my bathroom, and it is kind of cool in the bathroom. And when you put this stuff on, it is like, oh no! That's okay, because I'm all done. So, whew. Nice and smooth, and it does feel really, really good. But now I made a mess because I was trying to show you. Sorry, I was trying to show you how it was like, you know, kind of like jelly type, and it made a mess. So that is it. That's all I do. I don't do any toner or anything else. So far, that's my regimen. Again, I use the Paris Hilton, and I'm not going to be sticking with this. This was just in the BoxyCharm 1 month, so I was just trying it out. So this is not a keeper, but I like it. So if you want to try it, Google it and see where you can buy this. Paris Hilton. I don't know where you can buy it. I just got it free in the, not free, but in the BoxyCharm. And I got these in Ulta. The serum and with the little beads in there, and then the cream. So, and if anybody's interested in this, it's the cute little bow that I put on to hold my hair together. Ooh, this is a cute look. Oh yeah. Or do it like the olden years ago. They used to have this look when you go swimming in their little bathing suits. I forgot what year it was. 1960s, maybe? 50s? Ooh, 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 ooh. So, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I also got this at Ulta. All the kitty, Hello Kitty was at Ulta. And I'm just wanted, you know, because I've been getting a lot of questions about my skincare routine, and honestly, I don't do a lot of certain types of skincare. Like, for instance, I do have unique products that I have, and I haven't used them since I moved. I also have, let me show you, I also have like the unique night cream. So I can show you all of these products too when I use them again. but I haven't used them since I came here. I happened to go to Ulta and get this little Hello Kitty set, except for the parasol thing, and I've been trying it, and I've been liking it. It's smooth. And I thought, well, the Hello Kitty wasn't for mature skin. Well, for me, it's been working. It's been feeling so soft, and it smells so good, too, on top of it all. But if you have any products that you want me to try out for you and give you my honest opinion about them, that could be like a new series for us. Let me know what products you want me to try, and I will do a video on that and do like, you know, does this thing really work, or does this product really work? I know one of my YouTubers does that and is really interesting, and before you buy it, you could, you know, see somebody use it and see if it really does work. So tell me any beauty products or anything you want me to try, any product brands. I'll order it and try it out on film, and I'll give you my honest opinion. I'm not gonna lie to make things better than they are. I will tell you my honest opinion about them. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification button so for my future uploads. And remember to be yourself and always love yourself. And I love you guys too. I love you all, and I love you for being here and supporting my channel and just being here along for the ride with me. And I'm enjoying making videos for you all, and I love it. I just it's very creative for me, and I love doing it. So have an awesome Friday night, and I hope you all are either relaxing after these holidays or doing something special. And I'm gonna be my son has a birthday this Sunday, so we are going out to eat with some friends to celebrate his birthday. So maybe I'll vlog it. I'm not sure if I'm going to, but maybe I'll vlog where we're going. But it's his favorite restaurant, so of course we have to go. So see you later, and see you on the next one.